figures of speech, diction and arrangement. Okay? Diction, the choice of words, and then arrangement, how it's arranged in art. The sublime can be connected with an experience of the infinite. To experience the sublime is to experience something of the infinite, transcendent, beyond the ordinary of human nature. If you look at the very last poem by Wordsworth in your anthology, okay, let's look at that poem real quickly. You can see what we're talking about here. It is, the world is too much with us, late and soon. I think we looked at this, didn't we?
Yes.
Okay. The world is too much with us, late and soon, getting and spending, we lay waste our powers, little we see in nature that is ours. Here we have a poem of lamentation. We are divided from nature. We're divided from nature because we are so caught up with going to Walmart and paying the bills. Okay? He says he would rather be a pagan, suckled in a creed outworn, so that he could see, in the hurricane, he could see Proteus or Poseidon or some god, because the Romantics have had faith hollowed out. Now, in Ode on Intimations of Immortality, what I want you to do, we're going to take extra time with Wordsworth because he's worth it. I want you to go back and look at Ode on Intimations of Immortality. And I want you to look for 3 stages of knowledge. These are not the 3 stages of the lyric. I want you to look for the 3 stages of knowledge in Ode on Intimations of Immortality. These are childhood, where he has unity with nature. In the child, and if you think about it, the child does tend to have unity with nature. Children just appreciate the beauty of a flower for what it is. They don't go, oh, it's going to die tomorrow, or it's a dandelion, I've got weeds in this yard, I've got to mow the yard. You know, they just see the beauty of the flower, or the beauty of a bird, or whatever. They're unified with nature. They enjoy nature. They're one with nature. So that's the first stage. The second stage is the adult. So you have a break with nature. The third stage, and these are the 3 stages of knowledge. Okay, 3 stages of knowledge. Child, adult, and poet. The poet is reunified with nature, but he's more mature in that he understands the sublime, and he has encountered it, and there's this sense that he can take his experience with nature, put it into a poem, and then have that kind of experience something a little more mature, because he knows what that break is about, and so he has a way of dealing with it through poetry. I want you to find, because you'll notice you've got little stanzas or cantos here. You're not going to find, Ode on Intimations of Immortality is like a bunch of little lyrics put together into a longer story. So look for that next time. Also, go online for Friday. For Friday, go online, and I'm going to ask you to give me an example of a line that reflects the child stage, and then one that is the adult stage, and one that's the poet stage. I think you'll understood the poem better than you've got it. He's an adult, remembering what it is, or actually he may be a poet at the poet stage, remembering these other stages. So find the examples and post those examples. You'll need to do for Friday. Do 3 examples, 3 little paragraphs for Friday, and do that by Thursday night so that we've got them before class on Friday. Okay? And we are behind on our schedule, but that's okay because I've been more concerned that everybody get their annotated bibliographies in and that we get Wordsworth because we're switching to poetry. Okay. Yes.
Which poems did you want us to get that from?
Just from Intimation of Immortality.